Experience unmatched luxury at Royal Mansour Marrakesh, a haven of opulence and exclusivity. Royal Mansour Marrakesh is a luxurious and exclusive hotel located in the heart of Marrakesh, Morocco. The property is designed to resemble a traditional Medina, with a series of interconnected courtyards and narrow alleyways that evoke the atmosphere of an ancient walled city. The hotel features 53 individual riads, traditional Moroccan houses, that are each equipped with a private rooftop terrace, plunge pool, and an array of high-end amenities. The interior of each riad is decorated with intricate tile work, ornate wood carvings, and rich fabrics, creating a sense of opulence and elegance. In addition to the private riads, the hotel offers a range of luxurious facilities, including several fine dining restaurants, a world-class spa, a fitness center, and a heated outdoor pool. Guests can also enjoy a range of cultural activities, such as cooking classes, traditional hammam experiences, and guided tours of the city. Overall, Royal Mansour Marrakesh is a place of unmatched luxury and exclusivity, offering guests a truly unique and unforgettable experience in one of the world's most vibrant and fascinating cities. I appreciate your time and interest in this video. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can see more new daily content like it in the future.